In addition to the human toll, the floods have caused a tremendous amount of property damage. The rushing river water barreled through the streets of Hunt, destroying much of what was in its way. That's where reporter Matt Doherty from our sister station, KHOU in Houston, spent the day.
Even though it's dark, you can still get a sense of the damage. The water came from across the street. That's the Guadalupe River over there. It crossed the street with such force, entire buildings were flattened. For more than 100 years, the Hunt store has been a fixture in this small town.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
For residents.
There's locals that come every single day at the same time.
And visitors just passing through.
Lots of great memories here and for generations. Yeah.
Haley Lerman is the current owner of the Hunt store, which she says dates back to at least 1914. She, like nearly everyone else in this small town, was fast asleep in the early morning hours of the 4th of July when it happened.
There was no warning. No.
The floodwaters from the Guadalupe River across the street struck with incredible force, flattening buildings, lifting cars, and breaking nearly everything in its path.
Insane.
Haley takes a look inside the store for the first time.
It's just trees, debris. The apartment is on top of the cash register.
Okay, so I'm going to squat down because you're shorter than I am.
Okay.
The apartment above the store is where 10-year-old Stella Davison lives, along with her mom, who's the general manager of the store.
We live up top.
Stella and her mom narrowly escaped to safety on the store's rooftop Friday morning.
We crawled out the bathroom window.
For hours, Stella, her mom, and their dog Lainey waited on the roof in the rain for the rescuers to come.
I was yelling, and I was shining my flashlight.
If the experience alone wasn't tough enough for the 5th grader, today she's learning the floodwater took more than just her clothes.
My friend, is a cousin, Renee. She passed away.
I'm sorry.
I know, it's really sad.
I can hear the kids down here
Screaming.
A little ways up the road from the store is Camp Mystic. Every hour or two, a stream of state troopers and ambulances race past the store to the area where search crews have been focusing their efforts tonight.
I cry every time I look around because the community has come together. Crazy.
Holding on to whatever is still standing and hope and each other.
Just sad and heartbroken, but just praying for everyone that's been affected.
In Hunt, Texas,
We're here,
I'm Matt Doherty.
and I'll be